everyone. Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to continue chapter 12 data file handling. The objective of my today's topic is we will do the program practice of the various operations related to the data file handling in a single program. The program is create a file named cars.txt and fill it with the names and cost of n cars. Here n is the number of cars that is input by the user. In another operation, open the file cars.txt and search and print the names of those cars whose cost is more than rupees X. This X is also the input from the user. So let us begin with the program in the BlueJ. Here in BlueJ, I am going to create a class named cars. And now we will be performing the various data file operations. Control A, public class cars. Now before that we will be importing two library packages. Import java.util.star because we will be using scanner class over here, and second is import java.io.star because we will be creating files also. So we have imported these two packages. Now here I will be declaring the variables int n, x, then scanner class scanner sc is equals to new scanner in bracket system dot in, then bracket close, semicolon at the end. Now here I will be writing public void main and then close it. And now here I will be declaring my name of the functions. First function is input, semicolon. Second function is fill data. And the third function is print data. These are the three functions that I will be using in my program. So my first function now, public void input. Let us begin with it. System.out.print. First of all, enter the number of cars. Then semicolon at the end, n equals to sc dot next int. Next is system dot out dot println, then enter the x value, means the rupees you have to enter, and it will also be the input from the user. So x equals to sc dot next int and then brackets. This is our first function. Now our second function, public void fill data, and then close the brackets. Start with the function. Here first of all, string cars is equals to double quotes. Here I will write the name of the car. Now int cost, comma, I is equals to 0, comma, n equals to 5 because we will be taking n as 5, total 5 cars. Now try, because here we are going to make the use of try catch block. We will be writing our program over here. File writer fw is equals to new file writer in bracket name of the file. Let it be cars.txt according to the program. Then semicolon. Then buffered writer. Now what is buffer? A small space in our computer memory. PW is equals to new buffered writer, and here we will be passing the object of the file writer class, that is FW. Semicolon. Now next, print writer class to print the output. PW is equals to new print writer, and in bracket the object of the buffered writer class. And here I am going to create a buffered reader class. BR is equals to new buffered reader in bracket new input stream reader, then in bracket system dot in. Okay, and now semicolon at the end. Now here loop while I is not equals to n, then what it will do? It will accept the data from the user. System dot out dot print, enter the name of the car, semicolon, then cars is equal to br dot read line. Read line is the function of the buffer class. Then again system dot out dot println, enter the cost of the car, and then semicolon. Cost equals to sc dot next int. Here I am using the object of the scanner class, and next int is the function of the scanner class. PW means print writer object dot println cars. It will print the name of the car. PW dot println cost. It will display the cost of the car. And then I plus plus means till we have entered the data according to the values as entered by the user. Try block is finished. Now catch. Here exception class will be there. Its object E. Close it. And we are not going to write anything in catch. So we have finished our function name as fill data. Now we will be creating the next function, public void print data. Brackets. Now string cars equals to space, then int cost. Now again try block, and in try block we will be writing file reader, then object of the file reader class, that is fr, is equals to new file reader in bracket the name of the file cars.txt, then semicolon at the end. Now the next, buffered reader br is equals to new buffered reader in bracket the name of the object of the file reader class fr. Now in loop, do cars equals to br dot readline, means read the name of the car as entered by the user, if in bracket cars dot equals, I will right click over here, then new cars object will be created. Now right click, and here we are having different functions also, and if we will click on void main, then we will get the result of all the functions. Let it be 6. I've entered the value. Now I've entered the value of x as 4 lakh, and then enter. Now enter the name of the car, let it be Torsa, and then enter the cost of the car. Okay, then enter the name of the another car, enter the cost of the car. Now again enter the name of the next, so it will keep on asking us the name of the car as well as the cost for the car. So similarly we will be entering the other names in our terminal window with the cost of the cars. Let it be any. Now it will ask us for the 6 names and their cost. Let it be 30. Enter. So now as we have entered all our values, the compiler will not ask for the more entries according to the condition, and it will also not display the names of the cars as all the values that we have entered are less than the value of x. So students, do practice these programs on BlueJ. Thank you.